All right, so welcome back to this episode of Logic Labs. This is my first time hosting a lady on Logic Labs. So she's going to implement the FizzBuzz program, right? Why do you always use X?
No, because X is the variable people must use, the famous one, number. So if I did 100, it will end as 99. So in order to get 100, I did 101.
Okay. What if you are wrong?
If I'm wrong, like try.
Okay, so let's run it up. So can you give it up for her to
The bright side, I'm not gonna.
Anyway. All right, so welcome back to this episode of Logic Labs. My name is Bill, and this is my first time hosting a lady on Logic Labs. Her name is Mami Nyakwada Kokine. She's at Greater High School in Basic 6. So in this episode, she's going to implement the FizzBuzz program, right? So FizzBuzz works in such a way that she's going to look through some numbers, and if the number is divisible by both 5 and then 3, she should display FizzBuzz to the number. If the number is only divisible by 3, she should display Fizz, and if it's only divisible by 5, she should display Buzz. Are you ready?
Can I mean the not buzz, FizzBuzz?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
No, you're not to do the not FizzBuzz. All right, so you can start work. So I'm just going to help you with that. So implement the FizzBuzz program with 5 and 3. You can start work now. And if you like, I would give a commentary for that. So Buzz.
So don't worry. I'm done.
Okay, so explain what you've done.
So for X in range 1 to 100, the reason why I did range 1 to 101 is because when it's always running, it always takes away the last number. So if I did 100, it will end as 99. So in order to get 100, I did 101.
Okay.
Then if X is minus 3 is equal to 0, it means that if X is divisible by 3 and X is also divisible by 5, it should display the number, then beside the number, it writes FizzBuzz.
Okay.
And if A is divisible by 3, which leaves a remainder of 0, it should also print a number and display Fizz next to it. And if X is divisible by 5, also gives you a remainder of 0, it should display the number, then beside it, the written bars.
What if you are wrong?
If I'm wrong, like try again.
Okay, so let's run it up. So I'll pull up my editor. That, and then that is fizzbuzz.py. The code is not even working. I'm coming. What? Seriously? Okay. Okay, so the implementation of this code, if I have a number like 15, 15 is divisible by both 3 and 5. So I should get FizzBuzz to the number. So in this case, I had it right. Another number is also 30. 30, I should get FizzBuzz. 30 says I get Fizz. All right. 45 is FizzBuzz. 60 is FizzBuzz. 75 is also FizzBuzz. 90 is FizzBuzz. And then 100 is also FizzBuzz. Is 100 not divisible by 3? All right. So then it seems you actually wrote the right code for this moment. So can you give it up for her
The bright side, I'm not gonna.
Anyways, okay. So give it up for Mommy, and then we'll see the next person.